me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We explored the tunnels on the island. We get some more storms and celebrate the holidays in Porto Santo. Hiking with some friends on the familiar path through the tunnel.
The tunnel.
Later we stopped and had some lunch at Teodorico, the best restaurant on the island. On our way back home over the mountain, it started to rain a little bit. Along with half of the group, we decided to go through another 700-meter long, smaller tunnel. This tunnel is more of a defunct lavada, built to bring water from one side of the island to the other.
Yeah. I'm filming with light now.
Shining your face.
Yes, Keith.
And yourself.
I've got a big red face. Do you see that?
It definitely made for an interesting and wet experience.
So got an impression how we are going through the mud and water, banging our heads.
Low,
Or not.
low ceiling.
Low ceiling.
Oh, what a feeling.
Watch out your head here, Keith.
We're dancing on the ceiling. And now we're entering the birthplace of Keith Richards.
More storms come through Porto Santo. We had one storm with a lot of rain and strong winds, blowing more than 50 knots. Normally at night, we hang Herman, our dinghy, from the side of Make My Day. In the middle of the night, a wind gust was so strong that our dinghy flipped up sideways and the outboard got stuck in between our railing.
Another blow from the southwest.
We were much of the time hobby horsing in the bay. Some people are making the best of it. We decided to stay for the holidays in Porto Santo. Time to decorate Make My Day.
Christmas, make my day style.
It's up.
A Christmas tree!
Put it all the way. Used to ride the one-horse open sleigh.
We had a lot of fun nights at the Marina Bar. There was a Christmas concert in the harbor. Our friend Maria is singing and Gary is playing his guitar.
It's a what Christmas?
It's a mustache Christmas.
We had a potluck dinner on Christmas Eve, organized by the French community.
No, it's Christmas. They're only 5.
It's Christmas Eve. What son?
On Christmas Day, we went to Caroline and Bert John's house with 30 people. Everyone was bringing their own food to share, so there was a lot.
Preparation corner.
We made some chili con carne in the poiki, and Leontine made a cheesecake.
This is the first time Poiki inside.
Well, it's not. I'm not doing poiking.
And Michael inside.
And Michael inside.
I'm doing chili con carne
In the Poiki.
in the poiking.
Vrolijk kerstfeest.
It's not busy here. It's not. Only a few people.
Andere plekken zijn geweest.
But a few years back in there, which was so terrible because my head would just explode because due to the pressure. And
You have to tell Hans.
Beach is gone again.
Must be winter.
Get some southwest storms, south winds. So the beach is all gone. The beach maker has some work to do.
Yep, Beach Factory's going to have to go into overtime mode.
But finally we've got some sun again after, I don't know, for me 3 weeks.
Oh, we've had some sun, but
Not much. The beach. Where's the beach?
There.
No, there's no.
There.
Oh, yeah, a little bit left there on the end. Okay. First oliebol of the year. Tada!
Zit hij die oliebol?
Zijn goed?
Knappelijk van buiten. Rauw van binnen. Goeie textuur.
Dutch tradition. Oliebollen bakken. Peter, the bakmeister. Yeah, over here. Tina's one of the official tasters. International crowd. We've also got crepes. Yeah, we got powdered sugar, which most people put powdered sugar on them. Lekker oliebollen. 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 Oliebollen, bollen, 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 bollen. Okay, look, the lunatics making apple beignet. It's New Year's Eve in Puerto Santo.
Old Year's Dive! I've just missed it. Nog een keertje.
Honeymoon's over. Yeah! Lunatics are pickles.
Almost New Year in the Netherlands.
In the Netherlands, but not here.
Not
We
here.
still have an hour to go.
Gelukkig nieuwjaar in de
Gelukkig
Netherlands.
nieuwjaar, Nederland en
Het is
Duitsland.
gelukkig nieuwjaar.
It's New Year's Eve. We went with friends to the pier to see the fireworks at midnight.
There will be some firework. And there will be some firework.
59,
Nick?
20 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
I have go count down from 10 and we know in Israel.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Wow! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy anniversary!
8 years! Woohoo!
Wow!
After the fireworks, we went to the main square to enjoy some live music and drinks.
Where's your wife? Where's your wife?
Later, when the live music stopped, we continued at the disco, Zarko.
And we're still going. Hey.
It was late and we had a lot of drinks. Time to go home.
Love him, but you know,
He hates me too.
I hate
It's a
him
thin
too.
line. Oh, look, there's fire.
Oh, fireworks! And it starts over again. Wow!
Oh, the river dance now.
At the harbor, we saw some sailors who were just going for a New Year's swim at night. Our plan was to go for a New Year's swim with the group at noon. Some people did that, but we stayed in our nice warm bed. New Year 2025 has started. We started looking again for a good weather window to go to the Canaries. We saw a small window coming. Shall we take it? You will see in the next episode.